and welcome to today's Design School Lab. My name is Gloria, and as a product designer, I find the most rewarding part of my role is crafting experiences that empower users and enhance the way that they work. Today's Design School Lab will be focusing on crafting standout campaigns with the Visual Suite. The goal for today is to equip you with tools to design smarter, create faster, and bring your entire campaign to life, all in one place. I'm excited to walk you through some powerful features that will streamline your workflow, simplify collaboration, and help you make an even bigger impact with every design that you create. First up, we'll explore the all-in-one Visual Suite, a powerful way to bring your entire campaign into one connected place, from strategy to execution. Next, we'll explore how to streamline your workflow with Resize, making it easy to adapt with your designs across formats and channels without starting from scratch. It's a fast, flexible way to roll out campaigns in just one click. And finally, I'll show you how to publish your design as a website, so you can turn campaign briefs, assets, or landing pages into a single live link that's always up to date and all in one place. But before we dive in, take a moment to reflect. What is the biggest challenge you face when turning an idea into a campaign? So with that in mind, you have a great idea, but you're stuck on how to bring it to life visually, or even where to start. Or maybe you've kicked things off, but you're spending hours jumping between tools, tabs, and file types just to coordinate assets, track feedback, or stay aligned with your team. It slows everything down and makes it harder to keep the campaign cohesive, collaborative, and on track. Campaign planning today isn't linear, it's dynamic. An idea might start as a quick note, grow into a full presentation, evolve into social content, and even become a website. But most traditional tools weren't built to support this kind of flexible end-to-end workflow. Introducing Canva's all-in-one Visual Suite, a space where creativity and productivity are finally in sync, a tool that allows you to create freely, all in one place. With the all-in-one Visual Suite, everything lives in one place, from presentations and social posts to videos, docs, websites, whiteboards, and more. From strategy to execution, it's one seamless space to bring your entire campaign together. No more scattered assets or switching between tools. Just a connected, collaborative space where your team can move faster, stay aligned, and focus on telling a powerful story. Now let's dive in together as I show you how to use the all-in-one Visual Suite to bring your ideas to life. Feel free to pause this video and open the activity workbook linked below to follow along as we go. Once you've opened the activity workbook, you'll find it includes a presentation, doc, sheet, social media post, website, and whiteboard all in one place. In this workbook, you'll find a curated collection of resources designed to bring your campaign to life. We kick things off with a presentation cover slide to set the tone and visual direction for your campaign. Next, you'll find a social brief in a doc format, outlining key objectives and details, along with a campaign tracker in a spreadsheet, great for keeping tabs on your posts and performance. There's also an Instagram reel to help you engage with your audience, alongside a website to promote the campaign. Lastly, there's a whiteboard as well, perfect for brainstorming and mood boarding your ideas. As you explore each page, notice how the editor automatically adapts to match the format. Try opening the Design tab to see how templates adjust seamlessly to each page type. Then, check out the Elements tab to discover how the elements adapt based on the content you're working on. These flexible features ensure your page format has the right tools to make your campaign stand out. Now it's your turn to explore the Lemonade Stand campaign workbook. Click through each page and check out how the Editor, Design, and Elements tab adapt to different formats. Take a moment to experiment and see how all the pieces of your campaign come together in one place. Great, so now that we've explored the editor a bit, let's create a tote bag design together. As part of the campaign, we'll be selling merchandise, starting with a custom tote bag. So go to the end of your pages and click on the down arrow next to the plus button. Go to Print and search for tote bag. Once you've found it, apply that page. Then go to the Design tab and find a template that suits the theme. I'm going with lemons to keep things on brand. Now then, go to the page and right-click to change the page title. I'm changing it to tote bag. And there you have it. Your tote bag design is ready to go. Now, as part of your campaign, you might want to reuse content across different formats, like turning your tote bag design into an Instagram post. Let's repurpose that page into an Instagram post. Start by right-clicking the thumbnail of your tote bag and selecting Resize Page. Search for Instagram post and click to apply it. Canva will automatically add a resize page of your tote bag design, perfectly formatted for Instagram. Now apply a background color and add a caption to your post. To make your text stand out, use the floating toolbar to apply text effects like outline. Then bring it to life with a simple animation using the animate option. Finally, let's give the page a name. Right-click the page thumbnail and rename it to Instagram post. And that's it. Quick, easy, and ready to share on social. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Take a few minutes to resize your tote bag design into another format, like an Instagram post, Facebook story, or flyer. Feel free to explore and experiment. This is a great way to see how flexible your campaign assets can be. Finally, let's publish this design as a website so you can easily share it with your team. Instead of sending static PDFs or outdated files, you can share a single live link with all your campaign assets always up to date and all in one place. Go to Share in the top bar and click on Website. You can customize the link by editing the subpath and also add a password for extra security if needed. When you're ready, hit Publish, and that's it. Your design is now live and ready to share. As you'll see, it generates a mobile-friendly site with a shareable URL that brings your entire campaign together in one place. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Take a few minutes to publish your design as a website. Try customizing the link, exploring the settings, and hitting Publish. It's a simple way to see how easily your campaign assets can be shared, all in one place with just a few clicks. Ta-da! You're an expert. Now you have an end-to-end campaign all in one design and shareable with the whole team. Well done on completing the workshop. You should now feel confident creating and managing all your campaign assets in one place, while easily resizing and adapting them for different channels, audiences, and touchpoints. You've also learned how to bring your campaign to life with animation, adding those final polish moments and publishing everything as a shareable website, making it easier than ever to showcase, align, and launch your campaign from a single link. If you're keen to keep learning, continue your journey with the Canva Design School. There are hundreds of tutorials for every profession, and you can become a certified legend in under an hour with our certification courses. Just go to canva.com/designschool to get started now. Thanks for watching. I hope you picked up some tips and tricks on how to make campaign creation a whole lot easier. I can't wait to see what you create, and I'll see you next time.